Hook.
Oh my God. Thank you.
Oh, yes, sir.
Please. Why's everyone in the back? You guys are coming in front. Why are you guys so close? Man, you guys are close. Freaking me out. I need y'all to do me a favor and like take one step backward.
Yes, sir.
All right. Still too close. Now step back. All right. Suffer from like too closeness. Yeah. So anyway, how you guys feel?
Good, sir.
You've been here forever.
Yes,
Some
sir.
of you taken 2-3 times. Get through here, and you finally made it. Finally. How are you guys doing?